Welcome, people. Thanks for following to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself yet. Producer, why my voice sound so? Why my voice? Me sound weird. Me sound like a chipmunk.
Sorry about that, people. I know I'm going to produce them, but look at them fix it now. Again, thanks for following to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself. You don't know. Now people have a bag of news to give you today now. Bag of news. Or we have like a breaking news to give you. And you know, I feel switch it up like a bit. For that news, I'm giving you like a speaky spooky. Like a speaky spooky voice, isn't it? The Minister of Agriculture, the Honourable Floyd Greene, today submitted his resignation to the Prime Minister. In a classic case of "Gonna take big people for idiots," the minister was seen warning with himself on a No Movement Day in a video now circulating on social media.
I'm out here rouging. We are my friends. We are rouging. Our money never fracture.
Producer, well, I'm begging for just queue up for them like a sad segment, like a sad background music for me, please. Well, the people, want to be able to little bit. No, I understand how the minister, how they drink up Moet, but they're not movement there, right? Well, me and my people them can't even go it outside, but they no movement there.
I feel away. I feel away.
And that hurt me the most, you know. What hurt me is I still can't understand why the AC now working in the office. We can't understand, I'm paying them make money now. What hurt me the most is that I like some I try to go out if flaws after breath for nobody. Plus I try to go out to move my body. Right? So in my attempt to move my body for the movement near them, I say, alright, I go to the supermarket. So people may have a crepe on my body, but see about 3 years ago, right? Producer left me alone, me attack. I buy a crepe about 3 years ago. I take a big crepe and say, I go to the supermarket, but because I'm not going nowhere by the time I put on the crepe and go to the car. The whole I bottom jump off on the ground. No people will be doing that. I wake up. Next thing for the news, people. Sorry about it. We had peace there. Sorry about that, people. Next thing for the news. I want this one. When the time someone next cruise ship come out here, people want next cruise ship come out here, for the non-movement near them, and they go watch it, you know, like what? You go watch it. You know, long don't you wanna leave me in my back, people? That not even sound right. People, you know, long liquor water from don't you wanna splash in my back. That's how it was. People, you know, long me not climb don't you fast. I make liquor water run come my back. No, sir. So when I want to move. Are we an idiot? Are we an idiot? Are we an idiot? Me a dryland tourist now, people. Anytime you see me on road, me a dryland tourist, somebody can't tell me nothing. Sorry about that, people. Sorry about that. But next thing on the news, I guarantee you that the news can't get no worse, people. It can't get no worse. Jamaica Public Service I get an increase at 1 point. This is real. This can't real. This can't real. What other people? Sorry about that. So, gas price increase. Patty and them something they raise. Flour, rice and sugar and a bag of them thing they raise. See that was a slide, so everything I raise with that. And then, you are get JPS at 1.4 increase, but what I love it. What I don't love the people there. In a middle of the panoramic. So in the middle of the panoramic, you just go increase everything. Just kick it while we're down. Kick it while we're up on the ground. Not giving, we don't want no life support, no oxygen, not giving them. Just kick in our chest. Well, people may give the news like I'm see it. JPS I get a 1.4% increase. So that means I expect on a bill to go up by about a good 10 grand. I know a thing already. Brother, all the things set right now in the mind. Better we just forget boy we had that sport and just focus on track and field, you know. Better focus on track and field, my youth. Me nah say they just a team them not good and you know we things set already. But better, yeah? We like so you could tell me so we like run a commercial here. Run a commercial. Oh no, no commercial. Cut the camera. You're not gonna different. Cut the camera. Thanks to Barback people. I want to give you some sporting news. I want to do some cricket people. Another one, a well festival of people. So again, we're going forward in the speaky spokey voice and thing. Watch out, man. The Jamaica Tallawahs, aka the Jamaica Tanalahs, in a classic case of alley button, good for nothing, lost 2 do-or-die matches against the Ghana Amazon Warriors over the weekend. After having the Amazon Warriors against the ropes in both matches, the Jamaica Tanalahs somehow managed to claw defeat away from the hands of victory. It was reported to our newsroom that after both matches, the coach's comments were, "To the thing I run right now, you better Jamaica go play better pan catch." We want to thank you again for joining us here on Patwa News Network. Big up on yourself, you don't know.